In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a day and night transition only using Canva. So let's start now. At first, I am going to make a project on Canva, then I choose rectangle element to make my design proper. As you can see, I adjust the rectangle layer on my project and change its color. Now I want to add fonts in my project, so for this you need to go to font section and choose font as per you want. For now I want to use this font. You can adjust the font size and layer as per you want by simple select and drag it. I want to word some words in it. Let's use day and night and adjust it properly. And the another most important part is to add background image. For that I use a dawn image background. As for your case, you can add any images by uploading in Canva. I am done with the black background text layer, so I am exporting it and I upload it in this project. You should do the same process too. The next step is choosing a proper background images. For now I choose this image as my project background. For this process you just need to drag and drop the image and adjust to your project layer. Then just right click on the image and send it backward to the black background text layer. Nice job, you are doing great. Now we need to adjust this text layer properly to make our transition better. And go to edit image section and remove the background from it. Well, as you can see, we make the animated text layer properly. For next step I want to add night image. As for your case, you can choose any images. I use this image for my case and I adjust it at the right corner of my project. Be sure that it should be transparent and unseen to make the proper transition. And do the same process for next image. For that case I am making day and night transition, so I choose evening time images. Okay, I use this image for make the transition and adjust it in the left corner on my project. Be sure that the text layer should be the primary layer and adjust the time duration as short as possible for better transition. Okay, now we need to add shape. For my case I use rectangle shape and adjust it at the text size. Now I use this shape for making the animated transition, so I just drag it at the right corner of my text layer and adjust it properly. We need to change its color to white for better animation, so I want to do that. Now I want to duplicate the layer for both day and night transition. Don't worry, you can do it easily by select and drag to the another layer. And just do the same process for the another layer. But this time you need to change the shape and drag it to the left side of the project. Lastly, I want to give transition on the background. For this case I am doing the night image background first, so I just drag it to the left part. But make sure you will need to drag it at front of the text layer. For next evening image layer, I want to duplicate this layer and select the evening layer and do the same process and check the time duration. Because the time must need to be same. Now this time the transition need to go from left to right side, so I just drag it to the right part and make it proper. Now we need to give transition to each layer and animate each images properly. You can use any transition as per you want to make the animation more better. Okay, so let's check now what we have done. If you want that kind of Canva video tutorials, then please do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.